So, after you've got your 2 lobsters, put them in the freezer for 15-20 minutes, just to finish them off. There's 2 ways I like to cut them. First one's nice and easy, you just go around the whole way, give it a twist, and that'll pull out all that meat up in the head. Break off his feeler and put it reverse ways up cloaca, and then you can pull that back out. Might take a couple goes. Once you hook onto it, you can pull out the poo tube just like that, and then nice and easy, you just cut it in half. Tails there. If you want to keep the head, then you just do the same thing, but you can keep the roe if you like. I'm not really into it. All you do, a bit of garlic and butter in the pan, low heat. Make sure you put it meat side down so it traps the moisture in. Make sure you've got it on low. So after a few minutes, maybe just flip it over. You definitely don't want to overdo it. Pull them out, it's pretty straightforward. Just get your fork in behind there, and it should just peel out nice and simple. But also use this butter to drizzle over the top.